Hello and welcome to lecture 5 of fractions. In last lecture we have done equivalent fractions and today we will check whether the given two fractions are equivalent or not. So how to check? We will check whether two given fractions are equivalent or not. Okay. Now to check this it is very simple that we need to cross multiply first. The meaning of that is when we cross multiply, we should get, suppose there are A upon B and C upon D, these are the two fractions given to us. Okay. Now we will cross multiply them. That is A upon B and C upon D. So we will multiply like D will go here and B will go here. So AD is equal to BC. Okay, then only they are equivalent fractions, that is AD is equal to BC. What is the meaning of this? That numerator of the first and denominator of the second, A is numerator, B is denominator, C is numerator, D is denominator. Okay, this is the first fraction, this is the second fraction. So A is nothing but the numerator of the first fraction and we can say denominator of the second fraction into denominator of second fraction should be equal to, this is the denominator of the first fraction into the numerator of the second fraction. So AD, A is the numerator of the first fraction and D is the denominator of the second fraction. Similarly, B is the denominator of the second fraction and C is the numerator of the first fraction. Their product should be equal. Let us say, if I take an example, 3 upon 10 and 15 upon 50. What will we do first? We will cross multiply. Okay, so when we cross multiply, that is 3 upon 10 and 15 upon 50. This will go here, this will come with this, correct? So we will write it as 3 into 50, that is equal to 10 into 15. 3 into 50 is nothing but 150 and this is also 150. So this is satisfying our condition AD is equal to BC. Okay, so they are, the two given fractions are equivalent fractions. Therefore, the two given fractions are equivalent fractions. Got it? Let me take another example. That is 3 upon 7 and 9 upon 21. Okay, we will do the same thing. 3 upon 7, 9 upon 21. Let me take like this. Okay, so you will not make any mistake. 3 into 21 will be what? And 7 into 9 will be what? It is 663 and this is also 63. As both the products are equal, we will say that these both are the equivalent fractions. So I can say 3 upon 7 and 9 upon 21 are equivalent fractions. Okay, let us take one more example to understand it very clearly. 6 upon 9 and 11 upon 18. Again, we will cross multiply. What to see? That they should satisfy the condition AD is equal to BC. So 6 into 18 should be equal to 11 into 9. What is 6 8s are? What is 6 into 18? This is 108 and this is 99. Here AD is not equal to BC. That means this is not, these both fractions are not equivalent fractions, as the cross products are not equal, as 6 into 18 is not equal to 11 into 9. They are not equivalent fractions. Okay, now let us take one more example so we will understand very clearly. This was example number 3. Example number 4. If I take 5 upon 8 and 15 upon 24, again we will cross multiply. So 5 into 24 and 8 into 15. 5 4s is 20. 2 carry on. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. This is also 120. Hence the products are equal here, right? We can write 5 into 24 is equal to 8 into 15, or 80 is equal to BC. Therefore, 5 upon 8 and 15 upon 24 are equivalent fractions. So, this way you need to do the equivalent fractions. Okay. Now, let us do some more sums regarding the equivalent fractions. Suppose they are giving us in the form of filling the blanks. Then what will we do? See, I am getting 4 upon 9 is equal to dash. Here it is 18. In the numerator I don't know. So what will we do? We will find the equivalent fraction of 4 upon 9. So what will we do? Here it is 9. Here the denominator is 18, means 9 is multiplied by 2. So 4 should also be multiplied by 2. So this is nothing but 8 upon 18. Okay. So we will multiply, and thus I can say that 4 upon 9 and 8 upon 18 are the equivalent fractions. Second example, if I take 3 upon 7 is equal to 9 upon dash. Now here same thing, 3 and 9. So we should multiply this 3 by 3 to get 9. Similarly, the denominator also should be multiplied by same number. So 9 upon 21. Hence I can say 3 upon 7 is equal to 9 upon 21, and they are equivalent fractions. Correct? Let us take the third number, 5 upon 25, which is equal to 5. Here it is 5 and here is a bracket. Here we can see it is divided. We know that in equivalent fraction either we multiply or we divide the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So 5 upon 25 divided by 5, then this should also be divided by 5. This is 1 upon 5. Therefore, I will say 5 upon 25 is equal to 1 upon 5, and these both are the equivalent fractions. Okay. Similarly, one more number, 8 upon 14 is equal to 4 upon dash. Now, 8 upon 14 and here it is 4. So, with what number should I divide 8 to get 4? See, 4 2s are, so I cannot divide it by 4, but I can divide it by 2. So 14 also should be divided by 2. So we will get 4 upon 7. Okay. So 8 upon 14 is equal to 4 upon 7. These two are the equivalent fractions, we can say. Correct? Now, this way you have to do sums of equivalent fraction. They can also ask you that give 3 equivalent fractions, give 2 equivalent fractions. They can ask like that also. Correct? So different kind of sums they can ask, and we have to do the same method. Now suppose if they are telling us that write an equivalent fraction, they tell us write an equivalent fraction of 35 upon 42 with the denominator 18. Then what to do? 35 and 42 both belongs to the table of 7. Correct? and they are saying with denominator 18. So what are we going to do? First we will divide this 35 and 42 by 7. Let us see what we get. We will get 5 upon 6. Now this 5 upon 6, again I want denominator of 18, so 6 should be multiplied by 3, so 5 will also be multiplied by 3, so we will get 15 upon 18. Hence I can say that 35 upon 42 and 15 upon 18 are equivalent fractions. Got it? This way also you can do the sum. Suppose I say this we have done, but let us practice it again. Okay, then with next example, that is write 3 equivalent fractions of 3 upon 4. Now this is very easy. See, what will we do? Here I will write 3 upon 4. First I will multiply by 2. I will multiply by 2. Numerator and denominator, both the numbers will be multiplied by 2. So we will get 6 upon 8. Let us take 3 upon 4. Multiply by 3. Then we will get 9 upon 12. We want 3 equivalent fractions. So 3 upon 4, again multiply by 4. We will get 12 upon 16. Hence I will say, hence the fractions equivalent to 3 upon 4 are 6 upon 8, 9 upon 12 and 12 upon 16. These are the fractions which are equivalent to them. Okay. So this way you have to do equivalent fractions. Okay. Next lesson, next lecture we will start with the lowest terms or the simplest term. Okay. So I end my lecture over here. Thank you very much.